Honda's brand new 2026 CB1000GT, the ultimate sport tourer that combines dynamic sport performance with long-distance endurance. Its aggressive style turns heads wherever you go while offering unbeatable value for money. The development concept behind the CB1000GT was simple. Take the raw power and agility of a supersport bike, the legendary CBR1000RR Fireblade, and blend it seamlessly with the comfort, confidence and practicality that sport touring riders value. Every curve, every component and every line reflects the dedication of our engineers in Japan to deliver true sport bike performance in a touring package. Designed by riders for riders who refuse to compromise. Now let's explore in more detail. thoroughbred performance to its premium touring features, this bike is built to ride hard and far. Whether you're chasing sunsets, cruising coastlines, or exploring a faraway city, the CB1000GT delivers big performance with even bigger comfort. This complete package comes to you from our factory in Japan and will be available to test ride at your local dealer. Are you ready to be awakened?